Hi guys, welcome to Audio Media channel. This is T.Selvakumar. Today I'm going to be sharing a video on the Panasonic GH6. It's a brand new entrant. I've been a long time user of Panasonic cameras. Here I have my Panasonic GH4. That's how I started with Panasonic. And this is the GX5. Both for GH4 and GH5, I worked with Panasonic as their mentor. I did a lot of seminars and workshops for them. Now the Panasonic GH6 has come. It's a worthy successor. For a long time, people had been thinking that Micro Four Thirds is dead because after GH5, Panasonic went into the Lumix S5, which is a full frame camera. Amazing camera, I should say. I'm actually now filming this video using the Lumix S5. It's a fantastic camera. The only downside for me with the Lumix S5 was I couldn't afford buying the lens lineup. I already have a lot of Micro Four Thirds lenses. I have a 12-35 lens on my GH5. I have a 3500 lens on my GH4, and this camera comes with a 1260 kit lens. All three lenses are great lenses. There are a couple of advantages with the Panasonic GH6. The first thing, the articulating display. If I'm going to flip the screen, it would be obstructed by this cable. See, I can't move here. But here in the GH6, you have a functionality wherein you can flip it like this. Then you can very freely articulate the screen whichever way you want it. Except for that, if you look at the dynamic range. For the dynamic range, they have given a dynamic range boost function, which allows you to harness an additional 1 stop of dynamic range. So it used to be 12 stops. Now you get 13 stops of dynamic range, which is a huge thing. And also you have a lot of file formats now. Most of the file formats are 422 10-bit kind of file formats, and you can also do ProRes. Out of the two cards that are there in the camera, one is a normal SD card, but the other one is a CF Express card. The CF Express card has a read speed of 1600 MB per second and a write speed of around 800 MB per second. And as far as capacity goes, available for a staggering 1 TB. As you all know, when you are going to be shooting on ProRes HQ mode, the data rate is very high, so the file sizes are going to be very, very big. This camera, the sensor size and the sensor resolution also has increased. So you have up to 5.8K resolution. The slow motion support is like really staggering. You can do up to 120 frames in 4K and a staggering 300 frames in full HD. So I have shot a lot of samples in all these codecs. Plus also you have a high-res stills mode. The normal stills resolution is 25.2 megapixels. You have a high-res mode wherein you can combine 8 exposures and derive a 100 MBBS file. So I have got a lot of samples of those. You can have a look at it. Guys, hope you found this video useful. To see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Like this video, share it with your friends. Also press the bell icon to get notifications as and when we post new videos. This is T.Selvakumar signing out for Audio Media channel. Thank you.